Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel once again. We've got the S5 there, it was revealed in the last video, but this video is not on the S5. This video is again on my Mustang. So this time what we're going to do, we're going to take it to my friend who he has just started a new company called Automotive Finesse, who does detailing and ceramic coating. So that's what I'm going to have done to this car this time. So that should be interesting. Stay tuned. So we're now driving over to Doncaster to meet Rudy, who is one of the directors of the Automotive Finesse company, who is going to do the actual detailing on this car. Now, the fairly new company, they've just been set up and they've got a big workshop which opens completely in January. So where I'm going is to a secret location where Rudy is going to work on my car. It's going to be 4 days of hard graft for Rudy to work on this car, to hopefully get it to an amazing mirror-like finish on the bodywork, and then to ceramic coat it after that as well to protect it all. So let's get there. So where I am now, I'm at the secret location of Automotive Finesse with the director Rudy. He's just gone to get some tools. So we're going to start working on the car now, and first stage is obviously give it a good clean. So this is going to be probably the best clean this car's ever going to get. So what you're seeing is the pre-wash. So if you sprayed all that then chemicals over it just to loosen up any grease and dirt. And now we're just washing off all of that, and that'll be the end of the pre-wash. Foam now applied, so we're going to let that do its job for a little bit. That should pull off all the grease. That's just laid loose on the bodywork before we actually then rinse that off. Quick tip, guys, I see a lot of YouTube sites where they actually snow foam the car and then they go get the microfiber gloves, whatever, and then wash it down using the snow foam. That's not what it's for, guys. The snow foam is there to grab hold of the grit and just let it pull it down and off the car without scratching your vehicle. If your snow foam grabs a load of grit and then you start washing it, you're going to start grinding that grit into your bodywork. Not good. Leave it on for a bit, then rinse it off. So next stage after that is the good old-fashioned clean. Don't forget microfiber cloths all the time, and 2-bucket method. Look, we've got 2 buckets here, one soapy and one as a rinse. And of course, rinse it all off once more. Now we're going to blow all the water droplets from them hard to reach areas with this cracking little battery powered blower. Brilliant.
All out and his purities, he'll find them and dissolves them.
Now looking for any metal particles that are on the bodywork. Is this one that goes purple if it detects it?
Yes.
And when you get any purple colouring, so that shows that there was no sort of metal filings or anything all over the bodywork, which is good news. And then one more time, rinse it off and dry it off. Barbie, this is a long cleaning process. Yeah, the washing part of this now being done, and well, actually the car looks absolutely brilliant now. Take a look. Hi YouTube, it's next day now, and look at my car. Looks like Rudy has gone mad in it. So in between me leaving and coming back today, he actually clayed barred the car. So he's gone all over it with a clay bar. He said it wasn't so bad because obviously it's a new car, so it didn't have that much contamination in the actual paintwork. So just take a look at these. So these are the two different coloured cloths. So these are different coloured, so this one here will be used to take the excess compound off at the end of the polishing, and this one here will be just to buff it off at the end, just so you don't get them mixed up. Excellent. So much detail involved, it's unbelievable. At the moment he's done the two-stage polish, so he's polished it with a heavy cut first and then a medium one, and now he's just got the fine one left to do, and then that's all of the cuts done, and we're getting close to getting the car ready to actually be able to put the ceramic coating on it. So yeah, it's looking absolutely brilliant. So only one issue, let me just show you. So I'm hoping you can see that. So just there's a little blemish in the actual paint, but from what Rudy's saying, it's reacted. It wasn't there before, but something's reacted with the polish that he's been using. So not a problem though. We're going to take this off now, because we thought it'd be easier to actually take this off, because then you can get under here with the polishes, which is pretty hard to get under. So we're going to take the rear wing off. He's going to send it off to the paint shop, and he's going to get that just blown in for me, so that should get that fixed. So it's a good job we found it now, because if we'd have found it, if that had come up after the ceramic coating, it would have been a nightmare then, because it would have been underneath the ceramics. So that apparently is the only issue that I've seen with this car, and Rudy's words to me were, this is one of the best factory paint jobs he's ever seen, when he's actually measured the actual paint depth, everything around the car, left and right doors, etc. And there's very, very little difference around the car of the thickness of the paint. So well done, Ford. What we're doing with the car now, this is the stage 3, which is the fine polish, just to really buff it up before the ceramic coating, which is the next stage.
Chauza ishadondoka, upande ushakichupa, akili zishageuka. Kampani nisitaki, kwanza mina kulabati, kasike kutulihaki. Au, shemeji zako usije ukawafata, ukizunguka mwisho watu wa hapa, ukizungusha ulimi minajingata, mwisho wa wiki mabota kulabata.
So we just have a quick video, we'll just show you some close-ups of the car as it is now.
As we saw earlier, the rear wing has got a little bit of reaction to something, so we thought it's going to be easy to take that off and then we can take that in to get repaired. But while it's off, that means we can actually buff up and work on the area underneath the wing, and also do the wing on its own, so we can do underneath it as well and get it all ceramic coated. So this is what we're doing at the moment. This is just a medium cut that we just, because the glue around these holes from the wing, it's unbelievable and it's hard to get off, so we've just been getting that off now, and now we're just polishing it off, the final parts of it. So that bit now will be ready for the fine cut, and then we're getting close to the ceramic coating time. So I am now back at Automotive Finesse, and this is day 3 of the preparation of the car, and it's getting to the good stuff now. So remember day 1, so day 1 was the deep clean and the clear bar. Day 2 was the paint correction 3-stage, so that comes out looking absolutely beautiful at the end of that. And then day 3, as we can see now, it's the actual application of the ceramic coating. So you can probably tell from that how long this job is actually going to take. When people look at the price they get quoted for a ceramic coating job, and they're taking a deep breath, but when you see the amount of work involved to actually do this, and it's got to be done absolutely perfectly. Ceramic coating now done, it's looking absolutely amazing. So what happens now is shut all the garage up, get the heating on, and leave it like about 20 degrees for 24 hours for the coating to bake on nicely before be a quick detail, and I'll be able to take the car home. So this is it guys, now we're back at Automotive Finesse and it's time for the big reveal. So the car's been sat in there now, baking on the ceramic coating. So we're going to open this garage door and we're going to see what she looks like. Oh my god, look at that! Jeez! That is one shiny car. Wow. Don't want to move it, can't just leave it here and come and look at it. Absolutely amazing. Let's pull it out into the light and then we'll take some close-up shots and have a closer look at it.
Yeah, we are in the place to
Absolutely spectacular, guys. I don't think the camera's going to do it justice, to be honest. What we're looking at is such a deep shine, it's amazing. And now I know it's got this ceramic protection for 5 years, absolutely superb. So Automotive Finesse done an amazing job on this car. Don't think I could recommend them more highly, really. So there you have it guys, so that's my car being now 5-year ceramic coating, so it's going to be well protected and just going to have to look after it when I clean it, and yeah, it's brilliant. So if you want something like this, then contact Automotive Finesse. The details are going to be down below in the description. Give them a call and see what they can do for you. They'll have a look at your car, they'll analyse it. I mean, they do the full analysis on the paintwork before they even start, so they know the thickness of the paintwork and what they're working with before they're going to do any of the polishing. They do all of that. So yeah, absolutely expert job. Can't recommend them highly enough. So hope you've enjoyed this. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you did like this particular video, then please give me the thumbs up. Until the next time guys, take care.